Shalom, Shalom Israel partners, and welcome to London, welcome to Lather-Lane market. We are visiting our children right here, but we want to use the opportunity to extend our gratitude to each and every one of you who are standing together with us, supporting us, as this is Thanksgiving, and we have a lot of thank you to say to so many people who stands with Israel, who supports our beautiful nation, those who are standing with the Abrahamic promise. Whoever blesses you would be blessed. I would like to say to each and every one of you from the soil of London, a place where we have encountered a lot of protest against Israel, against the Jewish people, a lot of anti-Semitic incidents from the center of the city right here in a market that literally collects together multiple different cuisines from all over the world. Behind me is an Israeli Jewish restaurant. On the other side, there's a Palestinian market stall. There's food from all over the world here in this place. And this is a location where we are looking for love, for unity amongst all people. And therefore, I'm using this opportunity from this place here to reach out to each and every one of you who stands supporting with us at such a time as this, to say a million thanks to those of you who are standing in the gap, supporting us, praying for the peace of Jerusalem, even supporting us financially. I know that this is not the most popular thing to do around the world right now, but you don't care. You are determined to stand on the right side of history. You are determined to fight against every discrimination, against anti-Semitism, against hatred. And therefore, I'm here to say a million thanks to each and every one of you, but also to extend my gratitude to the Lord God of Israel for the blessing, for my children, for my grandchildren, for all of you that are our supporters. I know that without God watching over us, without his determined decision for people around the world to stand together with his people, with his land, with his chosen people, this would never happen. So therefore, I know that each and every one of you, as you are praying for the peace of Jerusalem, you are also receiving a blessing from the Lord God of Israel. And that's what is really important today, is to be on the side of the Lord God of Israel, to be resilient, to pray for Israel, to pray for the Jewish people, to pray for all nations. This market that is here is really a symbol of unity, and I feel that this is a location where we should pray for unity again, not only amongst the Israelis themselves, but also amongst all the nations of the world. For the day will come and the mountain of the Lord in Jerusalem will be a house of prayer for all the families of the earth. I love you. Bye-bye.